Hello there, legend. Welcome to SportChamps. It's the tournament betting game where the leaderboard lets you know whether you know you're crap or you now know that you're crap. Tournament betting is a fun, easy-to-play game that allows you to punt all day for little or no outlay and still be able to bring home the bacon, or beyond bacon for those so inclined. You play against punters, so it's your bets versus other like-minded sport and racing fans, not a bookie, to win the biggest share of the cash pool. Tournaments run all day every day, so there is always fun to be had. A tournament involves picking winners in the events that tournament offers, and using those winnings to work your way up a leaderboard. The leaderboard is the key to every tournament. It gives you all the information you need to know about where you sit, what your rivals are doing, and what needs to be done to get you into the money. The leaderboard is sorted by your champ cash balance. You get 10,000 when you enter a tournament, and the aim of the game is to get that balance high enough that you finish in the payout positions for that tournament. This is often the top 10% or 20% of players. You play by choosing the market you want to punt on in that tournament. This could be different races, sporting events, or even outcomes within matches. Once you've chosen the right market for you, make your selection before heading over to the bet slip. The bet slip is where you show some guts. No, not like that. Never like that. Choose how much you're putting on your pick, confirm that you've chosen the right amount, and go back to the markets to find that next rolled gold winner. If your picks are doing well, or you just feel like Muhammad Ali, jump into the trash talk and let the others know what they're up against. Fun banter and the occasional shared tip, or red herring, is what makes trash talk a great part of SportChamps. So jump in and get your game face on. There are a range of different tournament types, including targets, where you work on your own to reach the target we set to walk away with the cash. Double ups, where the top half of the leaderboard take the money from the bottom half. Quickies, 30 and 60-minute tournaments for those looking to get some steam off. Bet and goes, chuck all your bets on in the morning with your coffee and then check back throughout the day to keep the rush going, as well as our big ticket daily and nightly tournaments. These have the most players and the biggest purses. All of these tournament types can be found in the lobby. The lobby is the homepage of the platform, where you can use the filters to find the tournaments by type, event, free, or even our current featured competitions. You can also access the tutorial videos from here. To get more information on how each step of the process works, learn more about different tournament types, or even to brush up on some strategy, think of it as your training academy as you improve yourself. Well, at least improve at winning tournaments. If you need more help, our membership services team are incredibly good looking, very helpful, and online 15 plus hours a day here in Australia. If you have questions about your account, tournaments, or events, they are waiting to hear from you. Now, are you ready? With over 200 free tournaments weekly, go and play each type and find out what works best for you to win your way.